A very good evening to everybody out there. So, today I'm Sukleen Kaur, Manager South Asia from the King's University. So, first of all, I would like to thank Turning Point for giving King's University the platform so that we know we can be live on their page and we can be in direct touch with the students during these tough times of COVID-19. So, very good evening to everybody out there. So I think people have started joining in, and we will be starting a session. And in today's session, we will be discussing about the academic requirements of the King's University and what is the location of King's University, what are the chances for the permanent residency over there, and what are the programs available, and what will be the job opportunities in that area, and what are the IELTS requirement, the scholarship opportunities, and these will be the kinds of things we will be discussing in this session. So stay tuned for the information about King's University. And so, when you talk about King's University, it is in Edmonton, Alberta. And when you talk about Edmonton, Edmonton is the main city in Alberta. And of course, when you talk about permanent residency, Alberta is the one of those areas where permanent residency is comparatively very easy as compared to the other provinces in Canada. So students, if you are seeking for early PR residency, Alberta is a very good province, and Edmonton is the main city in Alberta. So King's University is located over there, and when you talk about King's University, it was opened in 1979. So it is a 40 years old institution. And when you talk about the classroom size, so classroom size, our average classroom size is 22 students. We keep the classroom size small just because so that individual attention is given to all the students. हमारा classroom size इसीलिए King's University में small है, so that our university is more of a discussion based university than of a lecture based. So ताकि individual attention मिले हर student को, this is the reason the classroom size is smaller. And when you talk about the latest technologies, so King's University we believes in investing in latest technologies, so that the students at the King's University, they have an advantage over the other students. So recently I would like to mention that we have done $250,000 of investment into the nuclear magnetic resonance machine. So this machine is used in many programs and many courses at the King's University. So of course students at the King's University have a distinct advantage in their future careers, especially in a province that has been blessed with so much of chemical wealth. तो जो भी नॉन मेडिकल वाले स्टूडेंट्स हैं, they want to make their career into the chemical field, so Alberta is a very good option for them, and especially the King's University, because we believe in providing the facilities to the students with the latest technology, so that they have hands-on experience on the latest technology. And secondly, at King's University we have new academic enrichment center. So what is this new academic enrichment center? तो ये न्यू एकेडमिक इनरिचमेंट सेंटर में बहुत सारे स्किल्स डेवलप हों स्टूडेंट्स में, इसीलिए वर्कशॉप्स और सेमिनार्स कंडक्ट कराए जाते हैं टाइम टू टाइम, ताकि जो भी नेसेसरी स्किल्स हैं, लेटेस्ट स्किल्स हैं, हर स्टूडेंट में वो इम्बाइब की जाए, सो दैट वेन एवर दे गो आउट इन द आउटर वर्ल्ड फॉर द जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज, they fulfill those conditions. So this is the reason we have new academic enrichment center, जहाँ पे बहुत सारी workshops and seminars time to time लगते रहते हैं, and students keep on participating in that and gain a lot of knowledge from those seminars and workshops. सो यहाँ पे मैं आज आपको ये भी बताना चाहूँगी ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन में किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी में, कि किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी क्यों डिफरेंट है बाकी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में, लाइक स्टूडेंट्स को किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी क्यों चूज़ करनी चाहिए एज़ कम्पेयर टू द अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज़. तो जब आप किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी की बात करते हैं, क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन, सबसे पहले पेरेंट्स का और स्टूडेंट्स का एक कंसर्न रहता है, दे शुड बिकॉज दे आर स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, तो क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन पे उनका कंसर्न कंसर्न रहता है. सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटीज क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन, it is nationally and internationally recognized. And many of our students are also working as a paid researcher, like the part-time paid researcher during their summer break under our own professors. So I would also like to quote one of our professors over here, student over here, Ashley. She's a student of Bachelor's of Science, and she has done this research on carbon reduction simulations and how these emissions will be projected for the year 2100. So these are the kinds of research जो कि students at the King's University they वो करते रहते हैं, and they are part of big research activities, and they are also working as a paid researcher. So King's University में students को opportunity दी जाती है, जो भी अच्छे students होते हैं, कि आप प्रोफेसर्स के अंडर पार्ट टाइम पेड रिसर्चर की तरह काम करें, ताकि उनमें नेसेसरी स्किल्स डेवलप हों. वेन एवर दे गो आउट इन द आउटर वर्ल्ड, अगेन दे डू नॉट फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम. सो of course, secondly, King's University क्यों different है other universities से, is because of its professors. So जब आप professors की बात करते हैं King's University के, 90% of the professors at the King's University are PhD. And secondly, many of our professors at the King's University, they have won many awards. For example, I would like to quote Dr. Peter. They are the professor of the King's University, and they have won C3 award, that is College Chemistry Canada Award, and that award is given to the persona who has made contribution to the quality of education. So these are the kinds of and this award is given annually, so in Canada. So these are the kinds of awards our professors have won, and of course our music teachers have also won many kinds of awards. One I would like to mention is Choral Canada National Competition Award. So again, professors at King's University, they ensure the students are taking the right courses, and also the professors make them aware about the summer jobs and internship opportunities. So जो भी professors है King's University के, वो students को they make them aware कि कौन सी summer job opportunities है, कौन सी internship opportunities available होंगी. So this is the reason जो कि small classroom size हैं जैसे कि हमारे, तो वहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा एक टीचर और स्टूडेंट का बॉन्ड रहता है when there is a small classroom size. So this is also one of the reason कि हमारा जो classroom size है हमने small रखा हुआ है. So now let us talk about the programs which are available at the King's University. So when you talk about programs, तो हमारे पास सारे streams के options available हैं. We have arts, medical, non-medical and commerce. तो सारी streams के students जो हैं वो apply कर सकते हैं into King's University. उनके लिए हमारे पास program options हैं. So first of all, I would like to talk about the Bachelors of Arts. So Bachelors of Arts में itself बहुत सारी specializations हैं, और students अपने interest के accordingly अपना course अपनी specialization choose कर सकते हैं. So when you talk about Bachelors of Arts, तो Bachelors of Arts में we have specialization in English, in history, philosophy, sociology, music, psychology, theology, and then PHE. So what is this PHE? So PHE की बात करें, that is politics, history and economics. So अगर this is a program which is being modeled after the which is modeled after PPE. A similar kind of program is being taught in the Oxford University, and this program is one of its own kind in North America. And any student who want to make their career into the politics or into the government life, so this program is a very good option for those students. And those students if the students have interest into the government life, then they can choose this program. So when you talk about the duration of the degrees, so we have a degrees of 3 years as well as 4 years, and some degrees have the choice whether the student wants to opt it for a 3-year or a 4-year. So depending upon the profile. So जितने भी students ये देख रहे हैं वीडियो YouTube ये Facebook लाइव देख रहे हैं, so the students, you can come to the turning पॉइंट एंड आप इनके पास आ सकते हैं और आप अपनी प्रोफाइल 1 by 1 डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, जहाँ पे ये आपको प्रोग्राम ऑप्शन आपकी स्ट्रीम के अकॉर्डिंगली आपको बता सकते हैं. So we have when you talk about then bachelors of science, so we in another program we have is bachelors of science. So bachelors of science may again we have specializations. So we have specialization in biology, chemistry, computing science and environmental studies. So ऑफ कोर्स ये मेडिकल और नॉन मेडिकल वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ऑप्शंस हैं. सो जब आप बैचलर्स ऑफ साइंस बायोलॉजी की बात करते हैं, वी हैव BA बायोलॉजी विच इज़ फॉर 3 years एंड BSc बायोलॉजी विच इज़ फॉर 4 years. सो आर स्टूडेंट्स आज जो हमारे बायोलॉजी ग्रेजुएट्स हैं, द वंस हु हैव डन बैचलर्स ऑफ साइंस इन बायोलॉजी, so they can apply directly into the Alberta Society of Professional Biologists. It is very difficult to be a part of professional biologist society. So after doing the graduation from King's University, the student can directly apply into the Alberta Society of Professional Biologists. और अगर स्टूडेंट्स दे डू बैचलर्स ऑफ साइंस, अगर वो हमारी केमिस्ट्री की डिग्री करते हैं, देन दे आर इट इज़ accredited by Canadian Society of Chemists, and our graduates right after the graduation they can be designated as chemists. So कोई भी student they want to make their career into the chemist field, then this program is a very good option for all those students. Bachelors of Science Commerce, Chemistry, and of course अगर किसी भी student का interest है computers में, then they can choose this Bachelors of Science in Computing Science, and so environmental studies as well if the student want to pursue their career into the environmental things. So next program we have is Bachelors of Commerce. So Bachelors of Commerce may we have specialization in accounting, not profit and social entrepreneurship, small business and entrepreneurship. So when you talk about accounting, so any student who want to make their career into CPA into Canada, CPA वहाँ पे जैसे CAs होते हैं इंडिया में, they are the professional accountants in India, so वैसे ही वहाँ पे CPA होती है. So if any students they want to pursue their career into the CPA, then completing this Bachelors of Commerce specialization in accounting will prepare them for the admission into the CPA PEP to become a professional accountant. So they can directly sit for the exam, and that would directly prepare them for CPA, and CPA is one of the highest paying jobs into Canada. So अगर हम बात करते हैं business students की, one more thing which is different from other universities is cross cultural learning. तो King's University में एक cross cultural learning का भी trend है, where we send our students abroad for a semester so that they have an international exposure apart from Canada, ताकि students को international exposure मिले apart from Canada. So जो हमारे बिजनेस के स्टूडेंट्स हैं they are going into Netherlands, Lithuania, South Korea and Thailand. So these are the countries जहाँ पे बिजनेस के स्टूडेंट्स हमारे सारे प्रोग्राम्स में we have this study abroad semester where the students are going and they are having their semester abroad, they are having the good time, and with that they are having the international exposure, which is of course a must. So these are the small things which would make them different from the other students. So exposure, a good exposure is a must. तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम कैनेडा में तो सारी स्टडीज़ करने जा ही रहे हैं, तो उनको कैनेडा का एक्सपोजर तो डेफिनेटली होगा ही, लेकिन अपार्ट फ्रॉम कैनेडा इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर वुड ऑफ कोर्स एक्ट एज अ चेरी ऑन द केक. And when you talk about bachelors of music, so this is again a very different program. Any students who has interest in the classical music and they have studied music in the 12th standard, then of course bachelors of music is a very good option for them, and they can choose this program, and they will definitely have a good career into Canada with this bachelors of music. Then we have is bachelors of education. So bachelors of education is for 2 years, and you need to do a degree first at the King's University, and then you can pursue bachelors of education at the King's University. So this program tells you how to be a great teacher into Canada. तो ये आपको प्रोग्राम बताएगा कि how you can be a great teacher into Canada. So government of Alberta requires 12 weeks of practice, and we have 17 to 18 weeks of practice. तो जब आप बात करते हैं, इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू बी अ टीचर इन टू कैनेडा। और अगर बात करते हैं किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी की, तो भी जो भी स्टूडेंट किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी से बैचलर्स ऑफ एजुकेशन करता है उसको 17 to 18 वीक्स की प्रैक्टिस प्रोवाइड की जाती है, ऑन फील्ड प्रैक्टिस, सो दैट आर स्टूडेंट डज नॉट फेस एनी इशू with the job. So we are providing 17 to 18 weeks of practice as well. So next thing we have is justice fellowship through MICA center. तो ये तो programs की बात थी. So what extra things we provide at the King's University. तो आप justice fellowship through MICA center, so एक MICA certificate होता है जो King's University में पढ़ने वाले students को opportunity दी जाती है कि आप मेक्सिको जाएं and आप participate करें with the purpose of fostering greater understanding and action around the issues of global poverty, peacemaking and social justice, जहाँ पे उनको ये opportunity दी जाती है and they participate. So this is a quest which is held for 10 days in Mexico. So this would again give them the opportunity for international exposure. So these are the small things which would definitely give them from which they would definitely learn a lot. And secondly, we have the study abroad semester. All of our programs have internships, have study abroad semester. So study abroad semester में like अगर जो हमारे environmental वाले students हैं, they go to Abu Saif Institute of Environmental Studies. उनके campuses मिशिगन में हैं, कोस्टा रिका में हैं, एंड जो बाकी प्रोग्राम्स हैं उनमें स्टूडेंट्स जाते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया स्टडी सेंटर, लॉस एंजलिस फिल्म स्टडी सेंटर, ऑक्सफोर्ड समर प्रोग्राम. तो ये सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज स्टूडेंट्स को दी जाती हैं ताकि वो एब्रॉड जाएं. दे कैन गो टू ऑक्सफोर्ड समर प्रोग्राम. तो उनको बहुत सारी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दी जाती हैं ताकि वो एक एब्रॉड में जाके अपार्ट फ्रॉम कैनेडा एब्रॉड जाएं और एक सेमेस्टर लगा के आएँ और दे हैव अ हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस एंड they have a good international exposure. So ये तो बात रही हमारी किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी के प्रोग्राम्स की एंड हाउ आवर प्रोग्राम्स आर डिफरेंट एंड व्हाट अबाउट द प्रोफेसर्स. सो जब आप अकेडमिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स की बात करते हैं, so जो भी हमारे academic requirements है that is also very easy. So 60% the student needs to have 60% in their 12th standard. The aggregate marks should be 60% and we are also accepting the open board examination, and the IELTS score which we are accepting is 6.5 overall, no less than 5.5. I repeat, 6.5 overall, no less than 5.5. And we are also accepting Duolingo, that is 110. We are also accepting PTE 59. We are also accepting TOEFL, which is 88 and minimum 21 in each section. So these are the English test requirements which we are accepting at the King's University. तो students आपने अगर कोई भी इनमें से टेस्ट किया है तो आप King's University के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. You can come and visit Turning Points. They are our registered partners and you can apply through them. And जब आप ऑफर लेटर की बात करें, so we are providing offer letters within a week and we are open for Jan intake. तो हमारे जो भी मैंने आपको सारे प्रोग्राम्स बताए वो सारे प्रोग्राम्स हमारे जान इनटेक के लिए ओपन है एंड द स्टूडेंट्स कैन डेफिनेटली अप्लाई, दे कैन कम टू द टर्निंग पॉइंट. एंड जब आप बात करते हैं अब जॉब्स की, सो पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स एंड फुल टाइम जॉब्स का कंसर्न रहता है. सो ऑफ कोर्स द स्टूडेंट्स आर गोइंग टू द मेन सिटी. आप एडमिंटन में जाएंगे विच इज़ द मेन सिटी, तो वहाँ पे जॉब्स की आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगी, पार्ट टाइम की भी. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जब आप फुल टाइम बात करते हैं, आपके प्रोग्राम में इंटर्नशिप है जहाँ पे आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाएगी कि आप फील्ड में जाके काम करें. सो अगर आप उनके साथ अच्छा काम करते हैं तो कंपनीज ही आपको कई बार हायर कर लेती हैं. सो ये सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपको दी जाएंगी. एंड देन उसके बाद वी हैव एन एम्प्लॉयमेंट एडवाइज़र at the university itself. So employment advisor है जो कि आपको you are new to the country, तो आपको कौन सी job opportunities available है part time full time, तो they will guide you with your job and of course they will help you in building your resume and fixing up your interviews and also preparing you for interviews. तो आपको ये सारी चीज़ की preparation आपको employment advisor देंगे हमारे, so that you can grab a good job into Canada. So उसके बाद we have an academic advisor as well. So if any students is facing any problem into their coaching or into their classes, or उनको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, so these are the things, extra classes arrange करनी है, so these are the things in which the academic advisor would help them. So we believe in providing the full support to the students. We are a very student friendly university, so we believe in providing the full support to the students, so that they do not face any difficulty. And when you talk about scholarship, so many students have the questions regarding the scholarship, so we are also providing this scholarship. So when you talk about scholarship, any student who has scored 80% and above will be eligible for the scholarship of 2000 Canadian dollars, and any student who have scored 90% and above will be eligible for the scholarship of 3000 Canadian dollars. So these are the scholarship opportunities. तो जब आप application fees की बात करें, so we have an application fees of 140 Canadian dollars, and the tuition fees जो हमारी पूरे साल की like yearly है, that is 20,000 Canadian dollars for an academic year. So which is very reasonable. And of course जब आप बात करते हैं you can also go on the Instagram page. आप हमारी King's University के Instagram page पे जा सकते हैं. You can follow the Instagram page, and you can also see the students, how the students are studying, how the students are enjoying their campus life, and stuff like that. And you can follow the page on Facebook as well, and as well as on Instagram. So you could, on Instagram you could see how the students are enjoying their what things are going into the King's University. So if you want to सर्च मोर अबाउट द किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी, तो आप हमारा इंस्टाग्राम पेज फॉलो कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन गो ऑन आवर वेबसाइट, जहाँ पे आप कैंपस देख सकते हैं किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी का. सो वी ऑल्सो हैव द रेजिडेंस फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल. सो इफ एनी स्टूडेंट्स दे डू नॉट हैव एनी रिलेटिव और एनीबडी इन एडमिंटन, so we have residence facility over there. So that we have tower residences and tower suites, so all the facilities will be included: Wi-Fi, laundry, parking and furniture, and the beds and the kitchen, everything is there. So any student, they they just want the residence and do not want the meal plan, so that would cost them approximately 4,000 Canadian dollars approximately for a year. And if they also want a meal plan, so the rent plus the meal plan would cost them 7,500 Canadian dollars approximately for an academic year, which is again very reasonable. And of course students को option दी जाती है कि अगर आप अपने खुद का मील कुक करना चाहते हैं तो खुद का मील भी कुक कर सकते हैं. सो व्हेन यू विल बी स्टडिंग एट द किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी, so you will be studying with the students from different countries, so which will again help you in a good international exposure. So this was all about the King's University, a brief description about the King's University, the programs, the academic requirements, the English test requirements, the scholarship, the application fees, the tuition fees, and of course, as I told you, you'll get your offer letter within a week, and we are still open for Jan intake. You guys can still apply for Jan intake. And guys, if you have any question, you can mention in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer all your queries. So thank you Naresh sir, thank you so much. Hi Janaki, good evening. Good evening Navneet, good evening Ashok. So guys, if you have any question, you can mention in the comment section below, and we'll be more than happy to answer all your queries. So guys, I repeat, if you have any questions, you can mention in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer all your queries. So this was all about the King's University. Thank you so much, Turning Point, for giving me this platform so that I can be in direct touch with the students. We can provide information about the King's University to the students on the online platforms. And I think we have one question. Is there any interview for admission offer? No, there is no interview for any admission. So the students just need to submit their documents, that is 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, passport, and the IELTS TRF or the Duolingo, whatever they have done. So just these are the things which we require in order to apply for the offer letter. So Navneet has another question: tuition fee deduction amount in case of visa refusal. So Navneet, King's University do not deduct any amount in case of refusal. So we are giving you the full refund in case of the refusal. So if you get refusal, the full fees will be refunded to you. So I think I have answered all the questions, and still guys, if you have any questions, you can mention in the comment section below. Alright, so I think we don't have any questions. So thank you so much, Turning Point, for giving me this platform, and thank you so much, Naresh sir, and thank you so much. And stay tuned for more information on for the King's University. We have one more question. What about internship? Is it paid or unpaid? It is paid. We have internships. Many of our students, they are working as a paid researcher under our professors only during the summer break. So all of our programs have internships and they are paid. All right, Navneet. So thank you so much, everybody. I think we won't be having any more questions. All right, so thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much for sparing your time and listening to this session. Thank you so much. Oh, we have another question. So what's the part-time scenario right now? What's the part-time scenario right now? Like, we are open for Jan intake, and we have the Jan and the September intake. So we are open for Jan intake. So part-time scenario, actually, Navneet, can you just rewrite your question? I didn't get your question. Post-study work permit. Okay, so of course, post-study work permit is there. King's University is eligible for the postgraduate work permit. So of course, if the students are studying with the King's University, they will be eligible for the postgraduate work permit, 3-year postgraduate work permit. Yes. So any other questions, you can mention in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer all your queries. So thank you. So once again, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope all the doubts are clarified, and you are clear with the King's University. And if any questions, you still have any questions, you can visit Turning Point. The counselors, they can guide you about the King's University, and they can clear all your doubts. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and stay safe.